Welcome back to another episode of Interior Stories. I am Mimi and today is another DIY video. It is also a requested DIY video and making of a planter basket. So this basket I had used in my living room makeover video. If you have not watched this video, then please link over here, go and check this video. Before starting, I want to inform you, Interior Stories is completely dedicated for interior designing, styling and DIYs. So don't delay. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So no more delay, let's start today's video. Here I am going to make a basket of 18-inch height and the cardboard is around 20-inch in height. Currently I am marking a 2-inch gap at the lower section of the board and drawing a line throughout the markings. Now with the help of a scissor, you just have to cut this 2-inch section in numerous strips. At the upper section, I am sketching lines in around 1.6 inch gap. As I will fold the board later, I am slitting the lines with the help of a paper knife with very little pressure. Now folding the board as per the slitted lines. It's now very easy to fold the board, and remember one thing, if you are using thin cardboard, do not need to sketch lines and further slit. The below strips you have to secure just like I am doing. Securing the round shape with the cello tape. As you can see, I have taken two round boards measuring the base size. Now joining both the boards at the outer and the inner side of the structure with the help of a glue gun. Now here is a trick. This is a plastic garbage bag and I am using this bag to protect the basket from any water leakage from planters. Now the main part, I am covering the structure with jute rope. It is easily available in any local hardware shop. make the handle, I am making braids with the jute ropes and securing it with the glue gun. To secure the handles tightly, covering its 1 inch with ropes. Now the basket is ready. You can follow Interior Stories on Instagram also and DM me for any queries. I will reply your every messages. The link will be on description also, and please do like our Facebook page and show your love and support as always. If you want to make a box shaped basket, then it will be very easy. Just take a box of cardboard and just cover it with the ropes. So if you like this video, what you have to do, you have to subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment. And I am assuring you the next video will be a makeover video, and it's a long time planning video. So stay tuned with me. Till then,